guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, nandito ako sa kondo ng kaibigan ko. Magsiswimming na lang kami dito kasi nga hindi naman kami makalabas. So, yun lang gagawin ko today.
Has it been? Feels like forever. Noticing everything, like the hair on the wall, food on the office table from last week. Parties are gone, weekends are ruined. Can't even handle myself. It's been going too long, more than a nuisance. What has it done to the world?
Hi guys! So today is April 22, Friday. So it's already 3:21 PM and pupunta ngayon dito si Trix kasi makiki-wifi siya dito. Magsasagot kami ng quiz. So ayan, susundin ko na muna siya and balikan ko kayo.
Is everything a dream? I don't know what this means. Time has been slow, it seems.
Hi guys! So, ayan, lumabas kami. Kasama ko na siya. And, bibili kami ng condensed milk. Kasi may binigay si Chan na avocado. Yeah! Fresh from Batangas!
Everything's one routine. 19, staying in quarantine. Blame the 19.
Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa SM Manila. Sabi ko Park. Parang nakakahiya mag-vlog dito sa mall. Buti na lang nakamask.
Feels like fate to visualize the things that I would do with you. I know things change, but I compromise my feelings for that night in June. Goddamn, I feel like you're the one for me. I am feeding off your energy. Who cares? Oh, I'm so overly into you. I know that you know. Every bar is closed. We're taking off our clothes. It's true. We're in bloom. We know how this will go. You'll see me at my lows. Ooh, we're in bloom. Your room next day. We're talking about your life and how it was in May. Don't you worry about me, baby. I have everything I need. If you care about me, baby, tell me why you chose to leave.
Magkasama na kami. Yun lang. Shinare ko lang naman. Saan tayo kakain? Hindi namin alam kung saan kami kakain.
Ano ba gusto mo?
Gutom na kami guys. Sige, saan?
Yung sa may the block. Mura lang
ano, yung ramen na ay, mali. Ramen. Sorry. Ramen Kuroda. Oo, ramen Kuroda. Sige, yun na lang.
Do you really think you know me? Do you think you have me all figured out? Oh no. You think you know me, you ain't got a clue, girl. I've been thinking about the things we do. Day, night, late night, just me and you. Everything that you put me through, everything that I've been feeling, do you feel it too? Because of you.
Yabang. Kaya mas pambayad eh.
Oh no. Why?
Hi! So, ito ang aking suit for today's video. Ayan. Simple lang ang get up natin kasi Mag-jeep rin naman tayo, so huwag na natin gandahan.
Thinking about it.
Guys, so 100 lang. Pamain na lang. Charot.
I knew that you were thinking about it. I knew that you were thinking about it.
Hi guys, so magbo-bowling kami.
Kahit di kami marunong.
Itatest lang namin ang ano namin. Skills sa bowling.
Skills? May skills.
Magsusunod tayo ng ganitong baka kung sino-sino nagsuot na itong ano. Sana wala siyang alipungan.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
Nagsasayang lang kami.
Eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway tonight. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof.
Okay. Salamat sa lahat. Tapos na ang pagkakaibigang ito. Charot. Hi everyone! So today is April 28 and manonood kami ng basketball. So ang maglalaban is FEU and Atenea. So ang suot ko ay naka-yellow ako kasi nga let's go Tamaraws. So ito ang aking outfit. Ayan. May pa-skirt. So ayun lang naman. And alis na kami.
I really don't know how you always find that you got no direction. You don't mind, and now I say I'll live without you. You say you mind. I say I'll be without you. You say no way.
Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa loob and hindi ko magamit yung vlogging camera ko kasi kinonfiscate siya, bawal pala yung magdala ng camera. So, I'm using my phone to vlog and sana hindi maging anemic na naman ang tsura nito. Guys, share ko lang, haggard na kami kasi bumili uli kami ng ticket na lower box kasi para silang mga langgam sa upper box. So, bumili kami ng lower box. Let's go, Tamaraws! Guys, cheer nyo naman Tamaraws. Grabe naman yung Tamaraws. Let's go. Let's go, Tamaraws. Let's go. Ay, yun na, yun na, yun na! kita makikita ulit. So, ayan. Tapos na po yung game. Tapos, nanood rin kami ng UST versus UP. Hoy, saan tayo ba mag-diretso? Hoy, hi!